Alright, welcome to my third video of the week. We're doing shoulders today, and it is almost 10 o'clock. I think it is 10 o'clock now, so it's pretty late right now, but we gotta get this in, get this work in, make it nice and quick, but also effective. What's on the menu? We got shoulder presses, side delt raises, and some rear delt raises, or flies, whatever you want to call it. It's been a bit of a busy week, but this session almost didn't happen. I was just about to shower and get ready for bed, but something in me, I just clicked, and all the thoughts of me wanting to just go to sleep turned into thoughts of, I can't let this slip away. I really wanted to hit my bare minimum of 3 days in this week. So that's the bare minimum, 3 days every week. I've only done 2 so far. Today is Sunday. Almost went without my 3rd session. Like I said in my previous video, my gym closes at 12 p.m. on the weekends. Open from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. on the weekends. Now, obviously there's an option to go train in the morning at the gym, but right now that's a bit of too much of a struggle for me to go to the gym in the morning. So after work I came home and then got ready for some rehearsal that was going on at church. We got a special service coming up. So first set was 40. Assuming that the bar is 20, it would be 40, but the bar is most likely less than 20 kilos, so a little bit less than 40 is what we're going to call it. But we've got 2 10s on each side of the bar. Now we're going to go in for our second set. Another reason why I almost went to sleep without training is because I've got a bit of a headache right now. Long day, hot day. Yeah, not a good combo. I'm going up to 60. See if I can get 1 rep. Pretty surprised I got some reps out with the 60 kilos. Again, bar might not be 20, so we're gonna say that it's a bit less than 60. Nevertheless, feels like I'm making some progress. In one of my previous videos I said that my PB was 55 kilos, and I think we got only 1 or 2 reps of that. But I definitely need to try the 60 in the gym, that way I can actually count it as a PB. Gonna keep doing some sets with this weight. 4th set. way a bit unstable on those push presses. Squeezed out 5 of them. 4th set done. At the end of my strict presses, when I couldn't do any more, that's when I went back to my good old-fashioned the power jerks. That's what it's called. That's what I call them. Clean jerk. Probably gonna do 1 or 2 more sets. 1 or 2. Again, we want to keep this pretty quick so that I go to sleep on time. But after this, we're gonna do some side delt raises. Side lateral. One. Two. Another set done. 3 strict presses and then 3 power jacks. Good set, good set. Definitely feeling the burn. Definitely feeling the throbbing in my head. 5th set. Oh my goodness. Man, that first rep. Oh, what a struggle. What a grind. Didn't think I was going to push that one out, but we did. Wow. My legs holding it up there. My legs were just shaking. That's going to be all for the shoulder presses. All done. Moving on to the side delt raises. Now these ones, I will be limited to the 10 kilo plates because that's all we have available right now. A few of the plates have gone missing. So let's get into our first set. Here we go. First set, check. I think we're gonna have to finish off our workout with these 10 kilo plates, and I think that'll be all we need. These side delt raises pretty hard with the even with the lightweight, and then maybe actually for the rear delt exercises I will use these 20 kilo plates because the rear delts can take on more load. Second set. Beautiful. I'm thinking of doing 2 more sets, total of 4. Trying to figure out what's best, how many sets I should do, because I do want to be sore from this. I don't want to be wasting my time here. Third set. Just while I'm resting to prepare for the fourth set, I need to tell you guys that I am going to stretch my hamstrings and work on my balance. So I'll just be single leg standing, eyes closed for 30 seconds or more. Simple exercise. Gotta work on those two things. And also need to rehab my knees. My knees they've kind of got some tendonitis going on in there, so there's an exercise that I do that helps, but I haven't been doing it in months. Basically where I kneel on the ground and then I lean back in a controlled manner. That way I can eccentrically load my tendons, and then that'll just be a nice little stimulus for them to get stronger. With the tendon training, it's got to be less frequent, so they don't have much of a blood supply, so their recovery is a bit longer. But you can train your tendons. Full set done. I think I'm going to do one more. Guess what? I just finished eating about 45 minutes ago. Nice dinner, but I'm feeling alright. I don't feel sick or anything. This workout's going fine. Holy headache. I just picked up the 20 kilo and a bit too heavy. So we're gonna do our rear delt exercises with these 10s. All right, here we go. I haven't felt this much burn in my rear delts in a long time. Second set. Probably gonna do one or two more sets. That'll be enough for today. Actually, we'll do four in total, 2 more to go. Third set. One more to go. This session's going pretty well. Nice and quick. Little update on my lifting straps that I ordered. They still haven't arrived. finished. We're done. Now this workout was brought to you by my house. I was able to use the weights here at home and get a nice session in, nice and quick. Hopefully it will be enough to cause some growth. That's all we can hope for, but it's way better than doing nothing. So we hit our 3 days minimum for the week. Hooray! Good on ya. We've done it. And I guess all I got to say is I'll see you next week. Stay tuned.